Hello, welcome to Food Basket. Today we're going to prepare yam masala. We're going to use elephant foot yam. This is a gravy preparation. It can be served with steamed rice. Let us see how to prepare yam masala. Here I have taken 700 grams of elephant foot yam. I have cut off the peel, washed it well and cut it into small pieces. Then I have taken 2 onions, a 1-inch piece of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 green chilli, 2 tomatoes and a few coriander leaves. Let us transfer the ginger, garlic, green chilli to a mixie jar. Let us add 2 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, quarter teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon pepper powder. Let us grind it to a paste with a little water. I have finely chopped the onion and coriander leaves. I have made a paste of the tomato. Let us heat a pressure cooker. Let us add 2 tablespoon oil. Let us add half teaspoon mustard seeds. The mustard seeds have spluttered. Let us add the chopped onion. The onion is well sautéed now. Let us add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder and the masala paste. The masala is well fried now. Let us add the tomato paste. The tomato is well fried now. It is leaving oil. Let us add the chopped yam. Let us add salt. We have fried the yam for 2 minutes. Let us pour a little water into the mixie jar. Let us pour it here. The yam should be lightly submerged in water. Let us close the pressure cooker. After the first whistle, let us reduce the flame. Let us leave it on the reduced flame for 3 minutes. Then let us turn off the gas. The cooker has cooled. The yam is cooked well. Let us add the chopped coriander leaves. Yam masala is now ready. Let us transfer it to a serving bowl. Hope you like the yam masala preparation. Definitely try it out. Send me your feedback. Thank you. Come again. Goodbye.